Okay, so to solve this question, our binomial theorem is only good for binomials. So we're going to pretend this is a binomial by saying that this is going to be our a value, and this is going to be our b value in our expansion. So if we compare that to what I want, so I want the coefficient of this guy. So we're going to look here, and I can see that I want my a value to be cubed. So in my expansion, I know that 6 is equal to n. So I'm going to have 6. And if my a value is cubed, my b value is what is left to get us to 6, so is 3. And whatever my b value is what goes into my choice. So this can get simplified to 6 choose 3. If we do it in our calculator, we get 20. My a value, I'm going to put in x cubed. My b value, I'm going to put in 2y plus 3z cubed. So we're partway to where we want to be. We wanted to have an x cubed, and we have an x cubed. So our problem falls with this second part. But I can see I once again have a binomial to a power of 3. So I can do another binomial expansion, where this is now my a value, this is now my b value, and this is n. So this time I can't just pinpoint a specific variable. I have to expand out the whole thing and try to figure out what's going to go here. So we're going to keep the original. The outside is not going to change any. It's going to stay 20x cubed. And now we're going to have a new expansion of this inside. So remember, we take our a term, so we're going to have 2y cubed plus 3, choose 1, 2y squared, 3z plus 3, choose 2, 2y, 3z squared. Now we're going to zoom out a little bit here. Plus this squared little guy needs to be written out here. There we go. Plus 3z cubed. So now, once I do a little bit of simplifying, so we keep again the 20x cubed. Now we're going to have 8y cubed plus 36y squared z plus 54y z squared plus 27z cubed. So all I did was simplify this expansion doing the math. And now we can finally find what we were looking for up here. We wanted the term that had yz squared. Here's the term that has yz squared. So when I find the final coefficient, I'm going to take this guy. One day I'm going to learn to switch. I'm going to take this guy and multiply it by that. So we have to figure out what is 20 times 54, and that is going to equal our coefficient. Remember, when they ask for the coefficient, it just means they want the number. So figure out what 20 times 54 is, and that is going to be your answer to this question. I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, you know where to reach me.